Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's create this presentation and see how it looks like. Okay, let's start. At first we need to add a new slide. In this slide, we want to create this thing. For that, I just simply copy the text. It's an easy text. We need to align it. We align center, align it middle. Then we need to increase it in size. But for that effect, we need to use some font called Overdrive Sunset. That's a good font. After creating that, hold Ctrl and increase it in size. Hold Shift and make it up. Okay. After increasing in size, you need to press Ctrl, hold Ctrl and then Shift and bring this thing back like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I hold 2 of them. 5. The number is up to you, what you like. After doing that, you just simply need to change the colors. I'm going to use the darkest color to the less darker color for this. I'm going to use this blue and here also this blue, but with a little difference. What difference? I'm going to format it and from the text option, text fill, and lower the transparency to 10%. This text also this blue, but lowering the transparency to 20%. Select this text, change the color and then the transparency to 30%. Change color and 40%. And the last one, change color and to 50%. Okay, it's good. Or you can just color them differently. After doing that, you need to create this text. For creating that, we add a new slide. Sorry, I just simply copy that slide. And then we need to copy this text. Press Ctrl A here. And here we go and align them center, middle, bring them top, paste the text, recolor the text to something like this, make them center, select all of them, make them center, select all of them, align them center from here. Now we just need to set the transition to morph. You see it's looking very great. Let's see that. If you like this kind of videos, please like and subscribe. I'm going to create more of them and better the quality. Have a nice time.